In 2025, we have witnessed a major shift in the industrial landscape, where industrial AI is no longer connected to a central platform, but it's happening right at the edge. Connected assets, IoT OT convergence, and real time decision making business models are taking over and transforming the industrial landscape faster than ever. I'm excited to invite you to our upcoming Spark Insights live session, where we deep dive into the future of industrial AI and edge technologies for 2026. We'll also be discussing about the platform, the architecture, the ecosystem shift, and that matters most for the uptime, quality management, as well as resilient business operation.
So here is what you can expect from our upcoming session. How industrial ecosystem has evolved in 2025, what changed and why it matters. Why enterprises are increasingly prioritizing edge-first deployments over cloud-first architectures. We will also be discussing about some real-world industrial AI use cases, lessons from the field, and some practical insights from us. And towards the end, we will also be sharing our predictions for 2026 when it comes to industrial AI use cases in digital factories.
Whether you're in manufacturing, operations, industrial IoT, or industrial automation, this session is designed to help you shape a better way for 2026. Even if you can't join live on December 9, I urge you to register now so it will help us make sure that you get the necessary recordings and resources. I look forward to seeing you there and helping you lead the way in the next wave of industrial transformation.